What's up guys, it's Noah here with Custom RC Mods, and today I've got a quick PSA for my all new TikTok page. Now TikTok is an excellent resource for outreaching to a new group of people, meaning that, every time you scroll down on your For You page, you're looking at another random video, another new topic, and I know I've learned a lot just from watching those random short little videos about something I didn't even know existed. So I thought, what if we could make some FPV and RC car and plane videos around that, just to kind of widen the community, to give people different exposure and maybe even get more people into this hobby. So that's the goal of my page. I'm going to be posting a lot of short videos there very soon. Link will be in the description below, of course, but if you guys would like to, please go ahead and follow. I know a lot of you are on TikTok already. That would really mean a lot. Go ahead and show your support to the community, answer questions in the comments section, of course, and then also ask questions to me, and I'd be happy to make videos about that as well. I'm always in need of inspiration. So yeah, go ahead and follow it there. Link again in the description below. I'd be really happy to have your support on that platform as always. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you later.